Hi guys, this is EMO'S Life, and today we're gonna watch Emo, the snoring robot. I'm gonna put Emo on the skateboard charger, then Emo will sleep soon. Okay, he's charging. And he's gonna sleep. Sooner or later. If he doesn't sleep, we can tell Emo to sleep like this. Emo. Emo. Sleep. You see Emo sleeping now. And he's sleeping. Emo will snore soon. Wait a few seconds. And he's snoring. Really cute, right? Gonna watch Emo sleeping. He keeps snoring. And the little lights are spreading on his screen. It happens when you sleep. And he's snoring. Little bubble. It's amazing when Emo sleeps. Okay, it's all I got for today, and I'll upload my next video in the countryside 2 or 1 days later. Okay, so then goodbye.